In your July camper box, you got the directions on how to make rain sticks. The items that are included is a paper towel roll or a toilet paper roll, some beads, beans, or popcorn seeds, and then also paper to wrap around the outside. So first we'll start off with Saran Wrap. This was not included in the box. You're gonna wrap this on one end of the hole. And then you'll also need tape to tape this on the outside of the Saran Wrap so that way it stays. And then once that's done, you can pour some beads after you put the twisted aluminum foil in. If you don't have aluminum foil, you can also take a piece of paper and just kind of twist it to put in the middle. This puts kind of a barrier in the beads so they don't go as fast when you're shaking it. Once that is done, you can put the other aluminum foil on top and also tape that down. Once you have that, you can glue the paper around the outside of the roll just to make it prettier. You can also put like stickers or you can color it, just kind of however you would like. Once you have the Saran Wrap on the bottom, you can glue the paper on the outside just to make it look better. And then you have your rain stick.